Today, I'm showing you how to actually use Gemini on your Android phone, from opening it for the first time to typing, talking, and even scanning photos with it. Let's jump right in. First, if you don't have it yet, head to the Play Store and search Gemini, then hit install. Once it's on your phone, open it up. Sign in with your Google account and just tap through the intro screens. Gemini will explain a few permissions like using your camera and mic. Go ahead and allow those since we'll need them in a second. This box right here is where the magic happens. Let's type a simple question, something like, "Give me 3 quick dinner ideas using chicken and rice," and hit send. And just like that, Gemini gives you a clear, ready-to-use answer. You don't even have to type. Tap the mic icon and just talk to it like a person. "What's the weather like today?" See? It answers back instantly, almost like a real conversation. Here's where it gets really useful. Tap the plus icon, choose camera, and snap a photo of anything. A plant, a receipt, even homework. Ask, "What is this?" And Gemini reads the image and explains it for you. Last tip, if you want Gemini to fully replace Google Assistant, go to your phone settings, tap Apps, then Default Apps, and look for Digital Assistant app. Select Google there. Now, whenever you long press your power button or say, "Hey Google," Gemini shows up instead. And that's it. You're now ready to chat, talk, and scan with Gemini right from your Android phone. Give it a try and see how much time it saves you.